The first time I ate Secreto was grilled on a wine barrel stave at the Imperial Restaurant in Portland, Oregon. The second time was grilled over oak at Bottega in the Napa Valley. I vowed that the next time I ate this mysterious cut of pork would be on my own grill. Secreto means secret in Spanish. The first secret is where exactly it comes from. Depending on the butcher, the secreto might be cut from the shoulder or it might be a pork skirt steak. These particular secretos are cut from the belly of the hog. You could think of them as the porcine version of a flank steak. Start by seasoning your pork secretos with coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then drizzle the secretos with extra virgin olive oil. Turn the secretos over. And season the other side the same way. Let the pork marinate with the seasonings while you prepare a traditional Spanish sauce called Romesco. Start by pinning quartered onions with toothpicks to keep them from falling apart on the grill. Then brush the onion quarters with extra virgin olive oil. Brush 4 garlic cloves skewered on a toothpick to keep them from falling through the bars of the grate. Season your onions and garlic with coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. I'm using Blue Rhino propane to fuel my grill. Set your grill up for direct grilling and heat it to high. As always, brush the grill grate clean with a stiff wire brush and oil it with a folded paper towel dipped in oil and drawn across the bars of the grate. Now arrange your vegetables on the grill grate. Onions, red bell pepper, 2 tomatoes, which you'll char right in the skins, your garlic, and a slice of bread, which you'll grill to thicken the sauce. Grilling time, about 15 minutes for the vegetables. You want them charred on all sides. Remember, it's that caramelization of the plant sugars that makes the sauce sweet and savory. When the onions are grilled on one side, turn them to grill the bottoms. Then turn the bell pepper, turn the tomatoes, the garlic. Remember, the garlic will grill the most quickly. And finally, your grilled bread. Continue grilling until the vegetables are charred on all sides. Once your vegetables are charred, transfer them to a sheet pan. Cut your grilled vegetables into 1-inch pieces. And remember to remove the toothpicks from the onions. 1, 2, transfer to a bowl. And don't worry about these little bits of black. They will add color and flavor to the Romesco sauce. Then with your pepper, cut in half and scrape out the seeds. Cut the pepper into 1-inch pieces. Next, cut your tomatoes into 1-inch pieces, taking out that little stem end. And finally, unskewer your garlic. Cut the garlic cloves in half and add them to the vegetables. Now to finish the sauce, you want to grind a 1/4 cup of toasted peeled hazelnuts and toasted almonds. Then break up your toast and add it to the processor. This sauce based with roasted nuts and toast is very typical of Catalan cuisine. Then place the lid on the processor, snap it in place. Grind the nuts and grilled bread to a fine powder in the food processor. Next, add your grilled vegetables. In Spain, for spice, they'd use a dried chili called an añora. A good substitute is an ancho chili, which you soak in water to soften, then take out the seeds and dice. Finally, add some fresh parsley. Cover the processor and grind the vegetables to a smooth puree. Scrape down your processor bowl. Next, add sherry vinegar for aromatic acidity, extra virgin olive oil for richness, and enough water to thin the sauce to a pourable consistency. Don't forget to add sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. And of course, taste the sauce for seasoning. Nice balance of roasted vegetables, nuts, and acidity. Secreto is often served with grilled green onions. So drizzle the onions with extra virgin olive oil, then season with salt and pepper. Okay, back to the grill. It's still set up for direct grilling. You want to just give it a brush to clean any remnants of those grilled vegetables off. Now place your green onions on the grill. And next, arrange the secretos on the grill. All right. The secretos grill quickly, 3 minutes per side will do it. To make sure your green onions grill evenly, give each a quarter turn. Once the secretos begin to brown on the bottom, give each a quarter turn. And when the onions are browned on the bottom, turn them over as well. Once the bottoms of the secretos are browned and you see this blood starting to pearl up on the top, turn your secretos over. And you'll grill the top the same way. When your onions are grilled, take them off, and arrange them on the platter. To check the secretos for doneness, the poke test, gently yielding. This is 1 pork you don't want to overcook. So here are your pork secretos with the green onions and the Romesco sauce. Let's see how we did. So take a pork secreto and a green onion and a dollop of the Romesco sauce. When you cut the secreto, slice it across the grain as you would a flank steak. Incredibly flavorful. Crusty on the outside, succulent inside. It's pork that eats like a flank steak. The onion, charred and smoky and incredibly sweet. Now take a piece of the pork and dip it in the Romesco sauce. I love the way the sherry vinegar cuts the richness of the pork.